Hi, this is Munif. I am the CEO of the RDK Revenue Company. So today we're gonna talk about our RDK Revenue. What are the things we have the published? What are the services we are giving on the RDK Revenue Company? Okay, first of all, we have to log into the website RDK Revenue. Just Google it, the RDK Revenue Company. Once you load that, if you know the direct website like rdkrevenue.pw, you can go through that directly. Otherwise you can type like RDK Revenue Company. Just if you search as RDK Revenue Company, just Google showing like a first page is like showing the website as well. You can see that we have that the online Google registration as well. You can look at that as well. Just go through it, click, and once you click that is home page, you will retrieve on that. So now we will explain our services as well. We have the many services for you. So first, once you come to the website, you can see that home page, hosting and the domain, email, security, license, other and the product services. So today we will explain each of that. So what are the services? First we'll go through our home page. Once you on the home page, you can, when you come to the home page, you can see that they'll say in the get hosting plan quick and easy. In up you can see that like a domain search bar. You can search it for the what are the domain you need. Like if you want to start your business, you can type as a business name and you can get it for that, or you can type as what are the domain you can see the prices as well. We have the separate thing, just we put the cheapest prices, all of the things we have the cheapest price, so don't worry, you can get it for the one place, all the cheapest prices here. Once you scroll down, you can see that we have the build your website. We only providing the developing part as well, so you can get it for the web developing as well. So domain as well, you can see here that another one is web hosting. Our web hosting is starting $0.99. that means there is a cheapest price for that, but 0.9 you will get in the 20 GB as well. The VP hosting likes we start in the 12.99 as well. Dedicated server 94.87, no setup fee. Okay, once you scroll down, you can see the WordPress installation. If it is a fresher doesn't know how to install the WordPress, they can get the knowledge as well. We have the video option as well, we have the document as well. And see the free let's encrypt SSL, you will get in the SSL certificate as well. You can protect your website. If you go to on the WooCommerce or something online platform, you can protect your website as well, like the lock option your website. See that this is a score, so we have to give in on that as well. And another thing, we have the new arrivals scam on that, like the positive SLS. You will get it for the 8.99, very cheap price from here. So there is that, we will talk about another video SLS, how it works and everything, what are the things, features as well. And storage VPS as well, you will get in the storage option is 8.99 and G Suite option as well. Okay, and we have the Office 365, they start in 6.99 as well. And the RDK Revenue only providing their own hosting services, like a powerful SSD powerful service. Who gonna start they want to start the hosting company, they can get it for start here the 27.99, that is much GB as well, that's much the security level we also providing on that as well. And we have the cheap the VPN services. You will talk about another video VPN services, each of the products we will talk another different videos as well. Today we only talk the home page, what are the services we are giving on that. And you can see the cheap 4.99. you can, if you go to another website, you can see the lowest, you can see the high prices as well, but here the article only per month, no hidden fee anything, 4.99 only we get in the month. If you go the monthly only, we will get you will charge for the 1 point extra. The setup fee is a one-time fee. Okay, And the coming soon services, we are coming on the ending point security. You need to protect your computer entity, your organization. You will get the cloud security as well, network security, and website security, and security services, much more. And these are things coming soon. And additionally, we have the coming soon product, and we will show you on that our website bar as well. Other website is our best features. We are the back store, all of the servers we are getting the backup. We're doing the backup services. You can get it if you lost your database, but if not, it is not going to lose the database. If by mistake you have deleted something, you will get it the restore. And money back guarantee, each of that we have the money back guarantee, and it's so that is for you. If you're not satisfied with our service, you will get it. You can do for the money back guarantee, 30 days money back guarantee. We have the free site migration. If you have you in the another vendor, you can get it the free website as well. And the feel at home, the cPanel, that is easiest to handle for the cPanel services, and we have giving on that. Another one, never lose your wake. We are not giving any network drop, so you can do for your own services and without network. Okay, and the security by SiteLock, we are giving only SiteLock and the PostgreSQL CityGo services. It's a more protect security, so nobody can hack your website and everything. So we protect your website. And if you go to the scroll down in the client testimonial, we have the more than who has the most the testimonial. We have some thousands of testimonials is going on that, so you can see that. And who has the, you can go through each of that and you will get in on that as well. And the one click install apps, we have the much more install apps, 4050 plus. We have the one click install application, we have that, so don't worry, we will get in that. If you go to the shared hosting or any plan, you will get it on that. And the related post, this is the related post, meaning you will get in the recent post and the notifications on the home page. And in the thing as well, our partners, so we are partner with the CityGo and Google Cloud, Microsoft, Alibaba, Twag, and the Budget VM, the Lindo, and Dropbox Business, Kaspersky, and authorization, and some more the partners as well. We will add it on the future as well, so it's coming. And you can scroll down, you can see the quick menu bar as well, so you can get it for the data centers and everything. You can only scroll down. And we have the 24 customer services, and we helping the, we need to say about, we are helping the more than support, mean we are supporting the call support and the remote support and the email support as well, remote, and the live chat as well. So which is you are the more difficult with your website, we will help you on that. We ready to help the 24/7. So okay, so and that another we will talk about the, so this is what we are going to talk. So you can chat with the Facebook through as well, you can chat with the live chat. And if you're not, you can connect the support, they will direct you to the remote support. Okay, they will link to the send to the remote support as well. You can get the blog as well, what are the new things as well. You can call for the support, 24 support. It's a free call, free number, so if you put a missed call, and if you send the WhatsApp message, you will get in that. You can contact with the WhatsApp through as well. That is the easiest for. Okay, so now, so okay, this is what today we going to talk about that. So this is what we homepage and showing you what are the new things. Okay, so and future as well, we will add in the some more new things. Just I will show you what are the hosting platform. We will show the hosting platform, and the same time if you click the hosting, you can see the shared hosting. We have the in shared hosting, we have the Linux shared hosting, and the Windows shared hosting, and WordPress shared hosting. We already published and the Linux and the Windows shared hosting. The WordPress hosting is our team has working on that. We will coming soon on that as well. And the reseller hosting, the reseller hosting, we have the three categories. One is Linux on the Windows, and this is RDK Max. This is a more powerful hosting. You can get it for the more powerful, that meaning if you want to develop the website, like if you go to the dedicated server or something, but if you buy for the RDK reseller hosting, you can get it for the much speed of that. but it's equal to the dedicated equal to VPS server, so that would be more powerful hosting RDKMX server. So, okay, and another one in the server, it's you can see the Linux VPS server, Windows VPS server also, and storage VPS server, dedicated server also published, and Windows dedicated server is we going to publishing on next month as well. The cloud hosting also already published, so you can get the managed server. That means you have the on rack, you can get it for that. You have to do for the on self, everything you are under your managed, okay, managed server. And the domain, if you click the domain option, the domain you can get the domain search and the transfer domain and domain price list. You can get it for the domain price list as well. If you click the email, just go to the mouse and see that new email. You can get it for email, that email hosting like business email also available, G Suite and Office 365, App Suite email, and the enterprise email as well. If you go to the security, you will get in the cheap VPN security as well. Positive, we have the trial service also, we can check out with that testing part. So that is the Never company has providing, the Never hosting has not providing on that, so we are providing all of that. And hosting and Positive wildcard services, and we have the type of category, but Positive is the very cheap. And the license, we have the coming soon our cheap license, cPanel, Plaza, WMHM Sonic, Cloud Linux, these are the things coming on soon, the license, so you will get in that the soon as possible. And other, so other plan also coming, email security, DOS protection, IPv, VoIP, and the plugin, web designing, themes, cloud code, website backup, site lock as well is coming soon. These are the coming on that as soon as possible. We are publishing on that, our team has working on that. And product, so already you can see our products coming soon, product as well. So that is much easy, much you can know about that. Okay, there is a coming who kept the more security things. So and the malware removal already published on that, so if you select that who gonna order for the products, they will get in the free malware services as well. So don't worry, that is already published, but we giving on that purchasing option as well. Who gonna do, we giving the free option, limited services, but we plan to give that more premium services as well, who has needed more the security malware option, so we'll give it on that. These are things coming soon, our product. So this is what I'm going to explain about that, so today now. So thank you. If you have any questions, okay, just let me know. Our phone number first, +947 not 7727 66824. You can call me or WhatsApp me on that. If not, you can drop an email, support@rdkrevenue.pw. If not, you can come to our Facebook rdkrevenue.pw page as well. You can chat over the messenger. If not, you can live chat as well available. So anytime we open that our services, you can directly if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you.